am attorney Marie-Chris Bathan-Lasco. This is my virtual classroom. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I shall aim to simplify the law. I will discuss concepts and principles of law in under 10 minutes. Hello again, everyone. For this video, I want to talk about facultative obligations. So what are facultative obligations? We find that under Article 1206 of your Civil Code. Let's read Article 1206. It says, when only one prestation has been agreed upon, but the obliger may render another in substitution, the obligation is called facultative. That is the first part of 1206. The first part of 1206 basically defines what a facultative obligation is. It is where there is only one prestation that is due, but the agreement is you can render or deliver another in substitution. So for example, Billy promises to deliver a particular car to Ben, but in their agreement, Billy can actually deliver a particular motorcycle instead of the car. So there is only one prestation that is due, the particular car. Only that, he can actually substitute it with another. Now, let's look into the second paragraph of Article 1206. It says, the loss or deterioration of the thing intended as a substitute through the negligence of the obliger does not render him liable. But once the substitution has been made, the obliger is liable for the loss of the substitute on account of his delay, negligence, or fraud. What does that mean? Let's go back to our example. So, the prestation or the thing that is due is the particular car. If the particular motorcycle, the substitute, gets wrecked due to the recklessness of Billy, it would not make Billy liable to Ben for the loss of the substitute due to his negligence, so long as there is no substitution yet. However, if substitution has already been made, in other words, Billy has already communicated to Ben that he will not be delivering the car, but he will be delivering the motorcycle, and then the motorcycle gets wrecked or lost due to his fault or negligence, then he will be liable for damages. That is what your paragraph or the second paragraph of Article 1206 is telling you. So is a facultative obligation the same as an alternative obligation? No, they're not the same. Your alternative obligation is where there are several prestations that are due. However, in a facultative obligation, only one is due, just like in our example. Another difference between a facultative and an alternative obligation is that in a facultative obligation, since only one prestation is due, if that prestation or object is lost due to a fortuitous event, then it extinguishes the obligation. However, for alternative obligations, for the debtor's obligation to be extinguished, all of the objects must be lost due to a fortuitous event. Because if only one is lost due to a fortuitous event, then the obligation will still subsist because there are still objects that either the debtor or the creditor can choose from. Again, depending on whose right of choice it will belong to. Again, if you have seen the video on alternative obligations, we said that the right of choice as a general rule belongs to the debtor unless they have expressly agreed otherwise. So that ends our very short discussion on facultative obligations. I will see you in the next. So if you find this video helpful, please click like, subscribe, and that notification bell so that you will be notified of new video uploads. Thank you for watching. See you next time in MDL Classroom.